Ajovi.
Kobla, where have you been?
Hey! What are you both doing at this night here?
Is that part of your business?
I thought you talk! Hey, you come here. I'm warning for the last time. If I see you outside again, go to your house. You go.
Where you? Yeah. I quite not away. We didn't know what if you had. We'll be putting your bits matching me. Now, quite we didn't know what if you had not away. Hey, do be any. Hey, I quit. Who goes with you?
Open. Why all this noise?
My friend, it's not about making noise. Just that the whole community is talking about you.
About me?
Yes.
What about me?
Concerning the missing child.
And what does that got to do with me?
They say you are the one who kidnapped the child.
Huh? How dare you? Let me warn you. It is because of gossip that the crab lost his head. If you want to lose your head,
and that's the sense so. Yes, the sense so.
Nonsense.
This man is trying to talk and as I you confide in me. If anything, you just tell me. You can do
it. Openi, let me tell you something. You are one, but you know something? You wait. I have a nice present for you.
For me?
Wait!
Yeah, we did it this over the call.
And you, come here. I need you, come here. Come here. Are you a ghost? Are you fool? Come here. I am talking to you. Come here. I said come here. Come here. Father. Stand there. What is wrong with you?
Father, I beg.
What is wrong? Who is your father? Don't ever call me your father. Am I your father?
Is there any problem?
There is a lot of problems that you are causing this village. Don't you know?
Father,
Now listen to me. You have to leave my village. Especially you. You the tiniest. Come here. Come here.
Father.
You.
Please, I beg you.
When the people came.
I beg you.
You beg who? For what? When the people came here, begging for a place to sleep. I gave you people shelter. Gave you land to feed yourself. And now, look at how you want to pay me back.
It's not me.
No.
It's that my friend.
It's who?
Apollo.
It's both of you. It is both of you that came. I gave you people one instruction. You couldn't follow.
I beg
now
you,
you have to
Father.
leave my village.
Father, I beg you.
You need to leave my village
Father,
today and
you.
now.
Father, I beg you.
Who is your father? Don't ever call me your father. Leave my village. No.
I will show you where power lies.
Odunja. 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 Return the ball before the wrath of the gods comes upon you. Return the ball. Return the ball.
Glad it's just It's just a nightmare.
I'm not going to release him.
That useless boy can make me release him. I'm a son of a liar. A nightmare cannot change my decision. I'm going back to sleep. Can't. That stubborn boy cannot scare me with a dream.
I've been waiting to hear from you. You say there are things you want to know about.
Abolo,
My good friend,
it's very hard.
what is hard?
You don't know what the people in this community say about you.
Hey. Once they talk about you, that is you. When you're not important, who will talk about you?
Abolo, they don't talk anything good about you.
Yes, of course, they have to talk. Otherwise, their mouth will smell.
Abolo, you're only trying to change the matter at hand. You and I. Abolo,
Don't we eat together?
that is not what I'm saying. The people don't say anything good about you.
Let them say. We came in together. Now you want to join them. Join them.
That is not what I'm saying.
I'll move alone.
That is not what I'm saying. The people don't say anything good about you.
Let them say good about you. Don't call me again. Don't near my farm.
bad boy.
Abolo. Who am I seeing?
Abolo, our friend. Oh, Abolo. Abolo, how are you?
As you can see, I'm in the farm.
I hope all is well.
Oh, always busy.
We are coming to you.
Oh, what?
You know, we want some maize.
From my farm?
From our farm.
Is it a public farm? Abolo's farm!
Look at this man.
And to tell you the truth, it's not time for maize.
It's time for
Abolo, Abolo, lest you forgot. We are the son of the soil.
Tell him.
You are stranger.
Tell him.
This land belongs to us.
Tell him.
Give us corn.
You are not a father.
Don't
touch it. What is wrong with you? Now, move out of my farm.
No, I'll break it. Is it not corn?
Your stone. Take yours. Now, let me teach you the song. It goes like this. Don kele kele o, ele nule patase.
Don kele kele o, ele nule patase.
Hey! This girl, where did you learn this song from?
And we don't even understand the
Don't
song.
worry, I will teach you that later. Now, let's go together.
Don kele kele o, ele.
What is it? Don't you know that it's late? People are sleeping. You guys are here. Don't you have homes?
We don't have home. What's your problem about that?
You are talking. Look at your face. Don't you know that, is it because these useless old men in this village always come after you girls, so you don't respect? Or is it because you have these small apples, you think you've grown, Go home and sleep.
See,
let me see where.
Let me tell you.
Okay.
Council or whatever you call yourself, give it to him. What is your problem now?
Okay.
My girls, let's go.
Go.
That your council self. Is it Jollof council or Agwamu council?
Maybe
it's Wache council. Let's go, hurry up. Let's go, my sister. Look at it.
Go.
One of the useless men.
Go.
You won't get one of the useless men.
Ebuka, my man, Ebuka.
What is it?
Ebuka, don't ask me what is it. You know what is it now? Ebuka, look at Abolo these days. Haven't you noticed what is happening to Abolo these days?
What is happening to Abolo is not a news again.
What do you mean it's not a news? Abolo has been running around. Ebuka, Abolo is your friend.
Is he not your friend too?
But you, I saw you with Abolo yesterday. What is it going on?
You saw me with Abolo, but that does not mean that I know what's after. Maybe he's after something, or something is after him.
Hey, Abolo. Ebuka, so what do we do?
Am I a seer?
What do you mean you are not a seer? He has been with us for a very long time. What do you mean? What can you do? Ebuka.
But I guess we should see a chief priest or something for more consultation to know what is really happening to him.
Yeah, I think you have a point.
Yes, that's what we do.
Ebuka. Abolo, I just don't understand Abolo these days.
Pizza.
Papa.